Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the Legacy Community Health Project Kickoff Meeting. My name is Eduardo Ferrer. I will be the project manager for this job representing Bechtel Corporation, which is going to be the general contractor. I would like to thank everyone for being here. This will be a short but very informative meeting. I would like to start with the project stakeholders. Thank them for being here. The owner, Legacy Community Health, represented in this project by Justin Baum. Thank you very much for being here, Justin. The architectural firm, which is going to be Kirksey Architectural, represented by Susan Muxi. Then Thompson Engineering, our engineering firm, represented by Brett Priest, excellent guy. I've worked with Brett on numerous occasions in different projects similar to this one that we're going to build. General contractor will be Bechtel Corporation, which is represented by my person, Eduardo Ferrer, project manager. Then the commissioning agent will be Fluor Corporation, represented by Brian Gordon. Have all the contact information for everyone. I will send out this presentation to everyone so you can have the contact information of the top people in all these stakeholders organizations. Let's start a little bit with the project justification. So as you all know, the project will be located in the Fifth Ward community in Houston, Texas. It's important to make a little bit of history of why this project is being built. One of the reasons is a boost in population from the last 10 years that the Fifth Ward community has had. So there is actually a lack of healthcare facilities in the area, and the people have outgrown the ones that they actually have. There's also very old healthcare facilities, so there's a lack of top-notch technology in the area. There's also the Legacy Clinic's mission and vision part, which is pretty much, this company is a nonprofit construction company of clinics that has a lot of programs for the least fortunate people. They help them a lot, and it's a great program, and it's something that we're actually returning something back to the community. The other part is the city planning expansion, which is part of the plans of the city to grow this community since Houston has grown so much. So eventually this was coming, and well, it's the right place, the right moment, right time to do it. Project, a little bit of the project description. The building is a clinic, 2 stories high. Project cost is $75 million. Project duration is estimated to be 24 months with a start date of January 9th, 2017. A little bit of the description of what the building will have. We'll have 4 MRI rooms, 1 CT scan room, and 1 X-ray room. This is basically the backbone of this clinic, where the imaging department will be a top-notch imaging department that they're going to be really proud of, and that for sure other people from other communities and areas will actually attend. Project safety, something very important here at Bechtel Corporation. Job safety requirements. Please do follow all the safety requirements that we have in the job. The company has a zero tolerance policy for in regards to safety. I will be sending out all the safety documents, requirements that we have to all of you. Make sure that everyone that is attending the job site has the proper personal protective equipment, PPE on it, hard hats, proper glasses, reflective vest, and also closed shoes, gloves, and depending if it's people that it's actually going to work on anything specific, they have to have their PPE. It's completely required. In regards to the OSHA Occupational Safety and Health Administration, we need people that have 30 hours course to be able to work in this project. So make sure that anyone that is going to work at the job site has a 30-hour course of OSHA. For you, the stakeholders, I will appreciate that anyone new that comes into the project, first steps to the main trailer and gets proper identification, the badge, the sticker, and everything. So they're good to go, and they're not assuming any type of risk when they walk into the job site. Project procedures. In general, let's go one by one. The biggest items that we have in any construction project, drawings first. As you all know, architectural, Kirksey Architectural with Susan will be developing the drawings along with the engineering department, engineering firm. Thompson will add all the systems, technical information required from mechanical, electrical, and plumbing information, and also as well as structural specifications. Will be more Thompson's engineering section part. They will complete all the engineering portion of the project specs for the referred systems. RFIs, requests for information, will be handled in the regular way, the normal procedures that we have. Subcontractors or general contractor will have, definitely as in any construction project, questions, concerns. Those will be transmitted directly to the architect. The architect will evaluate it, see if they need technical support, and they will communicate it to the engineer. If the architect and the engineer still need some type of guidance from the owner, then they will contact Legacy Clinics to get their opinion on any matter, any specific issue that we may present, which, of course, I don't want to be negative, but we all know that we will. Billings, normal billings in any construction project, AIA billing format, we will make sure Bechtel Corporation that everyone is submitting their billings in this form. Submittals. This will be a critical part for this project. We will make sure that all the submittals that we're getting are actually what it's going to be installed in the project. So the beginning of the project, we will have 2 months of submittals from all the construction trades. We'll make sure that we give that to the architect, engineer, with enough time so they can evaluate. And then at the end of the project, as we all know, the third-party inspection commissioning that will report directly to the owner will check the submittals with what was actually installed in the project. Change orders, handle in the same format as the billing. Change orders after some issue was generated after an RFI, it was clarified. There is complete instructions from the architect, owner, and engineer to proceed with the change, and the project will be approved and it will be submitted through an AAI billing change order wise. Schedules will be updated every 2 weeks by Bechtel Corporation. That will be us, and we'll make sure to distribute that to all the stakeholders so everyone knows what stage the project is at. Finally, we have the general contractor team. I want to make sure that I explain to all of you how is our team going to be operating in the job site so you know who to contact in case you have any questions. Project manager of the team will be myself, Eduardo Ferrer. Project management team is composed by two people. That's the assistant project manager and project engineer. They're my right hand. They're in charge of all the management line of our company. If you have any questions regarding RFIs, updated billings, labor production analysis, those are the guys you should go by. On the field supervision team, we'll have our superintendent, general superintendent, and then we have a specific foreman for all this technical trades that we have in structural foreman, mechanical, electrical, plumbing foreman, finishes foreman, utility foreman. In regards to our accounting and financial team, we have a lead project coordinators, controller. That will be Brandy Carter. She will be in charge of all the part of procurement and also billings, change orders, final stage of the financial process of the job, invoices and everything. Safety team will be composed by our safety manager that will outlook the project from the general perspective, and then a safety specialist that will be there for 24 hours. This is our project team. I will send it out as well, separate with all the information that I have in this slide. This is all I have for today. I really appreciate everyone being here. I hope this is going to be a very successful project, and please make sure that safety is on the top of our heads here. We will do well if safety does well. Thank you very much, and have a good night.